Hi there, Zebronics is on a spree. Today we have the newly launched ZebFit 5220CH. Now this one comes with a huge 1.73-inch display and we have two units with us, the limited edition and the regular one. We'll unbox both, we'll compare these two side by side and have a closer look at it so you can decide which one is perfect for you. By the way, we are also going to do giveaway for both these units, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, let's straight dive into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. The one on the left is the limited edition, the one on the right is the regular one. The one with the limited edition comes with a metal strap and 7 days data storage. The one on the right comes with a silicone strap. Let's have a closer look at it. Towards the back you can see some list of its features: blood pressure, SpO2, IP68, heart rate, large square display, full touch screen, 8 sports modes, customizable, super slim design, dual menu, metal body, metal strap and 7-day data storage. Towards the top it shows the app that it's compatible with, the ZebFit 20, and it's available on the Play Store for Android and the App Store for Apple. Towards the bottom are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $5,999. Alright, let's unbox it. Meanwhile, we'll also have a closer look at this. Similar box packing, almost similar features. The only thing that you don't see here is a metal strap and 7 days data storage. Rest, almost everything is the same. We'll open the limited edition first. Okay, we'll have a closer look at it in just a moment. You have the USB charging dock and a user manual in English. Let's open the other one as well. Okay, silicone strap, the regular square dial, really nice. The same charging adapter and a user manual as well. So let's have a closer look at both of them. So obviously the first thing to notice is metal straps, metal body, silicone straps and yet metal bodies, which is a good thing. Now you see a silver body here and you see a matte black body on the silicone one, and both look actually pretty nice. The metal straps look pretty okay. You see a single button on the side with a red accent in the center. Towards the back also is actually made of metal on both, which is good, and in the center you can see the sensors and the charging terminals on the top. So let's wear this and see. Now this doesn't have a buckle design, this has a magnetic design. You can see there is a Zebronics branding here. What you need to do is pull this and click, that's it. Inspired from the Apple Watch design, and it's actually pretty nice. It gets a really good grip. That magnet is strong enough, it's not going to get loose, which is a really good thing. The quality of the strap, however, could have been a little better. It's not bad, but it's not great either. But overall, I can say it looks really premium. Yes, metal straps definitely make a watch look premium. Good. Let's try out the silicone one as well. So here you can see a buckle design, and buckle straps also provide a very good grip. There you go. Now the only thing that I don't like about this buckle strap is that this buckle here is chrome. I would have loved to see the same matte black on the buckle as well. It would have been really nice. But it'll do. It's not a deal breaker. It's pretty okay, really nice. And I can definitely feel this is lighter than the other one, but it's a matter of personal preference. The straps can also be swapped with other bands. You pull this hook to release the strap. Metal one as well, you have the same hook mechanism. Let me show it to you. There you go. You have the same hook mechanism to release the strap if you want to. So you can remove the strap and put other silicone bands as well, which is going to be really great. Also worth mentioning, the watch is quite slim, just 8.5 mm thin. It's unlike other budget smartwatches that are usually thick and feel bulky. And even though both have metal bodies, it weighs just 40 grams, which is pretty impressive. We have seen many other watches with metal bodies go over 45 to 50 grams. This is great. Alright, coming to the display. So huge 1.73-inch TFT LCD display, and the first thing you can notice is that animated watch face. Smooth frames and looks really cool. The colors look quite vibrant and the text is sharp. The bezels on the sides and top are extremely thin and a little thicker at the bottom, but overall almost an edge-to-edge display. We get about 4 pre-installed watch faces, including the animated one, and you can download tons more from the ZebFit companion app. The collection here is huge, from analog watch faces to digital. You can also custom set images from your phone gallery as a watch face. You can even choose the position of the time and even the color of the text. There you go. The display also gets bright enough but lacks the auto brightness feature that adapts as per the lighting conditions. However, you can manually adjust the brightness in the settings. I usually keep it to low to conserve battery. Okay, I'm actually loving the display. The biggest reason being it's big, but the watch itself isn't, which is a really good thing. It comes with IP68 rating, so wearing it in the rain or even for a swim will be fine. In fact, it even comes with swim tracking. Then there's also a heart rate sensor, blood pressure monitor, SpO2 sensor. There's also a breathe app to help you relax. There's a camera shutter option to take pictures remotely from your phone's camera, a music player to control the music playing on your phone, stopwatch app, flashlight app where the watch display turns white and bright. Then there's also an alarm app, but sadly alarms can only be turned on or off from the watch. To set the time, you'll have to use the app. Coming to workouts, so you get 8 workout modes, all basic ones from walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football and swimming. It's decent. Should be enough for most casual fitness tracking. There's no built-in GPS on this watch, just in case you wanted to know. Okay, coming to the interface, it's really refined and has got a lot better. We get 2 menu options, the icon hive design and the list design. Now this is the hive design and here is the list design. There you go. I personally prefer this list design. It's clean and easy to navigate. Swipe from the top to quick toggles. You can see a refresh design here, especially that brightness bar. Then swipe from down to access notifications. Swipe right, pedometer, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, weather. Then when you swipe left, you can access the menu. You see all the apps and settings here. Overall, I can say it's really smooth and easy to use. You also receive call alerts with vibration. You can see the caller's name and an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. But you can reject the call from the watch, but when you press the silent button, the phone continues to ring. Only the vibration on the watch stops. So remember that. But I've seen similar experience with other budget watches too. Then you also receive notification alerts. You can see the app icon, the sender's name and the message. Clean and simple. The ZebFit 20 app is pretty decent. It collects your workout data along with heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, sleep. You can change watch faces from here. Then here are notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Set alarms, the camera shutter. In others, there are some more setting options, drink water reminder, weather, and even menstrual cycle tracking. Right below, you can see upgrades for software updates. Sadly, there's no option to share data with Google Fit or Strava. Alright, coming to the battery. So we get a 200 mAh battery that should last about 7 days with typical use. But considering notifications, call alerts and brightness levels, you should get 4 to 5 days with heavy use. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge the watch. Okay, so the ZebFit 5220CH is priced at $2,999 and the limited edition with the magnetic metal band is priced at $3,499. Now these are Prime Video's introductory offer prices on Amazon, so grab one right away. After that, it would be 500 rupees more. I'll leave the links for both these devices in the description. You should definitely check it out. Okay, time for that giveaway. I know many of you were waiting for this one. Same 4 steps. 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Singh. Follow me on my Twitter handle, Mr. Singh. Like the post of the ZebFit 5220CH and retweet the post that which version you like more, the limited edition or the regular one with silicone straps. 2 winners will be picked when likes and retweets cross just 500. Yes, that's the easiest target to get to. So do it right away. Subscribe, follow, like and retweet. Make sure you don't miss any of those steps or your vote won't be counted. Good luck everyone. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention them down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.